In today's video, I'll show you on how you can set up your macros on the Razer Synapse 4. Now this is really easy to do. First things first, you want to connect your Razer devices onto your computer, download the Razer Synapse official application on their website, and from there the application will automatically detect all of your devices. You then want to select the device that you want to set your macros with. Of course, you can do this with something like your mouse or your keyboard. After selecting your device, you will then be taken to this page. Just simply navigate through the custom option, click on macros, and from there you then have the ability to select or set up your own custom macros for your own Razer devices. And so guys, that's everything. Once again, you could do this automatically by downloading the Razer Synapse 4 application. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.